This is the instruction movie of the spectrophotometer. Here's how the spectrophotometer works. In this machine, there's a bulb. This bulb emits light of all wavelengths. This light passes through a monochromator. The monochromator selects one wavelength of our choice, and only this wavelength is passed through. This wavelength then passes this chamber from here to here, and our sample will be put in this chamber. Our sample will catch a part of the light, and from this, the spectrophotometer is able to measure the extinction of our sample. I begin by turning on the spectrophotometer. Before I put it on, I first check if the sample chamber is empty, because the spectrophotometer will start with an internal calibration. There's no sample present. On the back, there's the on button. And when I press it, it starts immediately with the calibration. We need to wait at least 20 minutes, since the lamp needs to warm up first. We've waited 20 minutes now, and the spectrophotometer is ready with the internal calibration and heating the lamp, so we can start measuring. First we start with a blank measurement. A blank contains all the components of the sample, but without the analyte itself. In this way, we can determine the effect of our analyte. In this case, we perform a measurement of a dye dissolved in water, so our blank is plain water. This is our blank sample in the cuvette. A cuvette has two sides, a clear one and a rich one. We will make sure that the light will pass through the clear sides. It is very important that these sides are clean. So check for stains. We want to hold the cuvette only by the rich sides, so we don't leave our fingerprints. When all of this is correct, we will put the cuvette in the spectrophotometer. For this, we open the lid and place the cuvette as follows. The light passes through the chamber from here to here. So we put the clear sides here and here. This is the rich side. So we place the cuvette like this. We close the lid again. We then set the correct wavelength. The current wavelength is displayed over here. And like this, we can change the current wavelength. It's now set to 360, but we want to measure at 516. So I press the plus button and we see the wavelength increasing. Now it's set to 516. Now we can perform a blank measurement. For this, we press the set ref button. Our blank sample is now set to 0. The blank measurement has worked, and a value of 0 appears. We open the lid and remove the blank. We then place our sample. We place the cuvette in the same manner as the blank, so with the clear sides in the same direction as the beam of light. We close the lid again. And then we see our extinction on the display, which is 0.488.